Here we are now. So what you do when you lift up the pot cover, let the liquid drain back into the pot. So the liquid will cook. The meat will cook on its own liquid, right? So we don't have to add any water. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the black pepper. So if you like a lot of seasoning, you can add more seasoning. If you don't, you can just let it stay as it is. So it's all done now, and the okras are steamed, but they're not too soft. So if you don't like your okras soggy, then this would be the perfect way to get it done. If you like your okras softer, you could maybe boil them before. As it is, it's perfect. That's it.